In the beginning, we just used CRM for some very basic functionality.
Once all the data was in the CRM, we decided to be using reports to get concrete data.
We use reports to keep all of our various teams on track, maintaining data integrity, tracking our progress towards our goals.
Yeah, the need for us was twofold. One, we wanted something that was scalable. Right now we're about 6 months live and we have about 4,000 domains, 4,500 domains under management. So that number is starting to scale pretty quickly and we want to be able to look at it in all sorts of different ways. So we've done pre-programmed reports, automated reports, SQL reports. Now we're getting into some of the more detailed. And then I didn't want to invest a ton in infrastructure to make that happen, so the cloud-based model really made sense.
We set out about 4 years ago really to help small and medium-sized companies to get found, communicate, and grow.
I really was impressed with Zoho because of the expansive capabilities of customizing the system and being able to build a system that works for them rather than them working for a system.
And so where we found Zoho was really relevant was mostly in helping them communicate consistently throughout touch points with their clients.
We're selling quite a bit of product in a specific region. Well, we want to know that the funding that we put towards that marketing is working out.
One of the biggest impacts is being able to take the dollar that's being spent on a particular ad source and begin to tune and shape it. You know, in the past, our client was really just trying whatever moved, right? It's like if somebody approached them with a new print ad or a new magazine or a new online source, you know, it was sure, let's give it a shot. The trick was they didn't know whether it worked or not. So through a means of tracking, being able to see, are we really winning and are we making money when we win those deals, it's transformed the business.
Zoho Reports helps our sales team to be more efficient when they're trying to close a deal.
Zoho Reports makes it easier to get accurate information. It's taken away a person's gut feel and replaced it with fact.
Pardon my French, but no bullshit, meaning your salespeople, your partners, or yourself, you cannot bullshit anymore. You cannot say that the data are not there. You have numbers, it's clear, you know how much you're making, you know how many leads are coming in, how many prospects.
When I started with the company, we were told we had X amount of travelers, and that was a guess. They had no idea how many travelers they actually had. And so once all that data was inputted, we could run a report and easily see last year we actually had 400 travelers and not 600 like you would thought. And so it led to annual budgeting and, you know, hiring more people and not hiring more people.
So the integration of the data and what you're working on is fundamental to then grow the company. And it also helps you scaling things to understand what's the future of it.
To quote Zoho's tagline, endless possibilities, there's no two ways about it that it does give you the ability, you know, for endless possibilities, and it's a great product.
Yeah, hands down, we recommend Zoho.
Absolutely. It's a system that you can play in the same space as the big companies, but not play in the same space when it comes to writing the check to pay for it.
We believe that Zoho is got a tremendous future ahead of it as a company, as well as the solution set for our customers. We think that there's just going to be better things ahead.